Dad, what are we doing today?
Give me some fires. Annoying me.
What are we actually doing today, huh?
Looks like a whole lot of nothing.
No, but we're installing the piston finally on the 81 Honda Odyssey.
Sometimes you get your pinky in on the other side and you can use it to line up where you need to be. You don't know what you're talking about, old man. There you go. You go up or down. Oh. Wow. I just turned that into a one-man job because I had to. Freaking kids. Hold that up so you can get the clip in there and then put it over.
We don't need the clip. I read on a YouTube comment that a dude never puts the C-clips on because it saves weight.
Yeah, there's some real Einsteins out there, bro. Brilliant. What a idiot.
Come on!
Where's the clips?
Well, you had all this stuff.
Alright, just put it back in.
You go to tightening those because otherwise it'd be